Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin in Yemen. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase. Coinbase is an amazing company and it offers multiple ways how you can buy cryptocurrencies. And when you're gonna register through the link in the description, you'll get $10 for free. So what you want to do is when you're gonna be in Coinbase, click on a Bitcoin and then just buy Bitcoin, pay with my bank account or your wallet. And I can go 100 euro, preview buy, and I can simply purchase Coinbase fee, you got it, or I can set it. And then I'm going to be here in portfolio. And right here, I get to see, we will see your Bitcoin like I see right here. And you can simply choose on euro, click on it, and you can withdraw the money if you want to. The same style, so it's really simple, really easy, and it's legit. And this is how you can buy Bitcoin in Vietnam. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments, but definitely use the link down in the description so you get $10 for free. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.